Good late evening, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. We are here at the Contemporary because a little birdie has been telling the internet for the past few days that Magic Kingdom would be testing fireworks this evening, and it has been confirmed by Disney. They are in fact testing fireworks this evening. So our friend Brian from Orlando Theme Park 360, he has a room here facing the theme park. He invited us up to come view the fireworks. We're also going to walk around the Contemporary, see the new Christmas offerings here, have dinner, hopefully have some Christmas snacks along the way, and just have a good time. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. Check out this room here at the Contemporary. It looks quite different than Bay Lake. Wow, they have a Keurig. I have not seen a Keurig in a Disney room since the reopening. Wow, nice TV. Looks like 2 queen-size beds. A really nice office desk. I believe this does turn into a bed. Now heading into the bathroom. Very simple, nice privacy door right there. I like these double sinks. And also they have mouthwash, a shower cap, and a vanity kit. I have not seen those. I found the USB plugins right here by the beds.
On Monday, November 16th, Magic Kingdom will be conducting some routine fireworks testing. As a result, there may be brief noise impact after hours.
I don't have my zoom lens on currently, but look at this view of Magic Kingdom. I'm so excited and so ready to finally see fireworks. I have not seen fireworks since right before the parks closed down early March. A quick fun fact, I've never stayed here at the Contemporary. We've stayed at Bay Lake a few times, but never here. But it's like an honor to be in here right now because this is a original Walt Disney World resort. There's a lot of history, like this room, like they can pull them out of the actual structure, and then I think they were supposed to do like a major refurbishment some time ago. Brian's room is right there. And then look at this view that you get overlooking the main lobby here inside of the Contemporary, as we have a monorail passing through at the moment. I know this year there's no gingerbread display here at the Contemporary, but it still smells like gingerbread all over this resort, and I love it. We are now here at Contempo Cafe, and they have this cart out displaying all of the new Christmas treats, such as a Cinderella cupcake, cookies and cream with a vanilla monorail on top, a gingerbread boy that looks super good. A holiday classic right there. Oh my goodness, a chocolate peppermint cookie. Check out this white chocolate Minnie Mouse. And also, you can take home your own, build your own gingerbread kit that looks like the Contemporary. Look at that. That's so cool. They also have a pumpkin tart and then a white chocolate Mickey to match Minnie. If you guys are here during the holidays and staying at a Disney resort, they do have these pre-made holiday gift baskets for sale. This one comes with a mask, all kinds of holiday goodness. You can build your own if you don't like the ones that are pre-made from Disney. We found 2 more pre-made holiday gift sets. This one has a pair of Minnie Mouse ears and the Christmas Loungefly. A lot of good stuff. Also, look at this one. Wow, these are pretty awesome. Disney is selling these Mickey shaped lights to take home for your Christmas tree. A set of 30. I'm trying not to touch a lot of stuff. $34.99 for one. Check out these really cool ornaments. Last year I picked up this Epcot one, but this year they have the Tree of Life. Bianca just found this new mini backpack for $45. It is not a Disney Loungefly, But look how sparkly it is, yeah. Oh wow, looks like Disney has released a new Haunted Mansion face covering with the new fabric and also a Marvel one. No joke, I could do all of my Christmas shopping in this store. Disney is pulling out all of the sweaters here. These are going for $69.99. Those are pretty cute. And then behind me, there's a Pizza Planet sweater. I like that one a lot. They also have the beanies all out as well. It is now dinner time. We are grabbing a bite to eat here at the Wave. Also, here at check-in, you can find some more Christmas decorations throughout. Here at the Wave, they are offering a few holiday drinks. We have the Santa Colada Mistletoe Mule, which sounds really good, and the Peppermint Kiss. Our appetizers have arrived. Brian went with the bacon and eggs. You have an egg, cheese grits, and pork belly. And then we went with the pork bao buns. They look super delicious. And then myself and Brian went with the mistletoe mule. Cheers. A quick fun fact, these are both secret menu items, so you do have to ask for both of these appetizers. So I just tried both appetizers. They were fantastic. My favorite was the pork bao buns. They were made so good. And then I tried some of Brian's cheese grits. Woo! They were so good. But this mistletoe mule, very, very dangerous. Our entrees have arrived. I went with the pork tenderloin. You also have some broccolini and also some cheese grits. Yum. And then Bianca got the beef tenderloin. That looks really, really good. And then Brian got the same thing. Let's dig in. Can you guys tell? I hated it. I was not expecting the Wave to be this good. This is my first time ever being here for dinner. We've been here for breakfast. It was okay, but I recommend this. I'm paying my own money. This is not sponsored or hosted. This was absolutely fantastic. I have nothing bad to say about the Wave. I just placed our mobile order. We made it back up to the room. We picked up our Christmas treats. I went with the gingerbread boy and then the peppermint chocolate cookie. And then Bianca got the cookies and cream monorail cupcake. And then a coffee also because we're going to be up watching fireworks. The Christmas cookies were delicious. We are now outside on the balcony. We have our cameras all set up. We have about 5 more minutes to go. And we should see one of the first fireworks. We don't know what's happening. We don't know if this is happily ever after. We don't know if this is just new launching fireworks, or we don't know if it's for the holiday specials. We don't know, but we are about to find out. This video is sponsored by Mickeytravels. If you're looking to book your next Disney vacation, go get your free quote today from Mickeytravels.com, as they never charge you anything to book your next Disney vacation, and they are one of the select few travel agencies in the world that are platinum earmarked by Disney themselves. Go visit my friends down in the description. Click on the link for your next Disney vacation.
They're definitely testing something new on the right.
Was it from Tron though?
No, it's the launch site that's right across from Tron.
So what it looks like to me, they are testing new launching sites for the fireworks, but they are doing a lot to the right near Tron. So that may be the new location for most of the fireworks to launch from, but they're not doing a full show. They're just, oh, here we go. That was cool. Yeah, we can definitely tell the launch site is different. Like they've moved it. Looked like that one kind of was off a tad.
That's new.
Well, we are going on almost midnight. We haven't seen that many fireworks. We're kind of hoping to get some kind of finale, but I think for the most part they were testing out the launching of it, a few projections on the castle, or it could have just went very wrong and they stopped the fireworks. We don't really know. We got to see some fireworks. That completes my night because we haven't seen fireworks since early March. So it was good to see. Now, the fan in me, of course, wants to see more fireworks, but I don't think it's not going to happen. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help out the channel in so many different ways. And if you're new here, please subscribe, because we do this quite often. And make sure you have those notifications turned on and set to always. That way you'll always be notified when I release a new video or even go live. I love you guys. Please remember, it's nice to be nice. And YouTube, I'll see you in the next video. Prince Charming, out.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside.